guys, thanks for joining me for this Fox makeup tutorial. As always, I've already gone ahead and prepared my face with primer water, liquid foundation, matte mousse concealer for my eyes, and Covergirl pressed powder. To start off, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and cover my nose and forehead with the dark transition color using a large flat brush. I'm going to blend slowly and evenly so as not to put too much on at once. Next, I'm going to take the glittery gold color from the same palette and cover the entire space from the crease of my eye to just below my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take my NYX color crayon and cover the entirety of my eyelid, as well as the inner corners of my eye and just beneath my eye. After that, I'm going to take the lightest color on my palette and blend in the color crayon, but not too much so that the white still stands out. For the crease of my eye, I'm going to use the glitter cinnamon color of my palette. To make my eyes stand out even more, I'm going to take the darkest color of my palette and gently spread it along the crease of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take my blending brush and blend what I have on my eyes so far. I'm going to take my transition color once more, and using a standard foam eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go in underneath my eye and continue filling up the top half of my face with color. Again, with my large flathead brush, I'm going to darken the bits of my face where I already have my color mapped out. Taking my liquid eyeliner, I'm going to create a thin cat eye that wraps around my eye and along my tear duct. Next, I'm going to add mascara to my upper and lower lashes. With a medium flathead brush, I'm going to take my darkest color and fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to take my Covergirl setting powder that I prepped my face with and use it to blend my makeup before coming in with more color. Using my highlighting stick, I'm going to highlight my brow bone, cheekbones, and temples. Next, I'm going to use my white face paint and a large paintbrush and blend it into the lower half of my face. In order to set my white paint, I'm going to take translucent white face powder and apply it using a kabuki brush. For my blush, I'm going to use a slightly orange peach color and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. For my lipstick, I'm going to use a dark red multi-crayon to accentuate my lips against the white makeup. For my little fox nose, I'm going to use the same liquid eyeliner that I used for my eyes, and I'm only going to apply it to the very tip of my nose. Next, I'm going to go over everything with a light layer of loose highlighter powder. Lastly, I'm going to take my transition color one final time and darken it around the crease of my eye as well as underneath my eye. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on social media as well. See you next time!